I'm making 4 simple pallet wood projects for a kitchen or bar, and each one of these actually takes less than an hour to make and is all very beginner friendly. Now you can check out my past videos if you want tips on picking, breaking down, and prepping pallet wood, but for now, let's get into the first item, which is a wine caddy. This wine caddy holds a bottle and 2 glasses and is perfect for a kitchen or bar. I started by cutting the board to size and drilling a hole in the exact center for the wine bottle. I then routed the center with a roundover bit, but you could always just leave it as is or go over the edges with some sandpaper. It's really just a matter of aesthetics. Next, I drilled 2 holes on the side and cut channels for the hole for the glasses to slide into. Now you could do this with a circular saw, jigsaw, bandsaw, or even a handsaw, really just whatever you have. Just some more routing and light sanding after this, and it was ready for some finish. In keeping with the theme of this video, I decided to use a finish which is made from pallet nails. So if you soak pallet nails in vinegar for a few days, then apply the liquid to wood, it creates a chemical reaction called ebonization, which darkens the wood, making it look similar to ebony. So after applying this mixture, I then added a coat of polyurethane for a little bit of extra protection and shine, and then this wine caddy was ready to go. Now on to the next item, an herb stripper. Now this is a really functional piece and makes a great gift for anyone who likes to cook or garden. And the fun part about this is you can get really creative with the shape. In fact, I tried 3 different designs here just to see what I like the most. So once you've got your shape traced out, you can cut it with a jigsaw or a scroll saw, and then it's just a matter of drilling a series of holes, all varying in sizes. Then you just got to do some light sanding and make sure to do a quick water pop to raise the grain. This step is really important because if you skip it, the wood will feel really rough after washing it for the first time. So water pop it, do a little more sanding, and then make sure to apply a food-safe finish here. Now, this little tool makes stripping leaves from herbs quick and easy, so it's a great functional piece for any kitchen. Item number 3, drink coasters. Now, this is by far the simplest project, but there is an easy way to make them really stand out. Of course, you can get more creative with the shape here, but I just made them into simple squares. But I made sure to specifically use wood from an oak pallet. This is because oak wood especially reacts well to ebonization, so once applied, it turns the wood a deep jet black with a slight hint of purple almost immediately. So after this, it's just a matter of applying a couple coats of polyurethane to make it water resistant, and just like that, you've got some really rustic, unique drink coasters. Now on to the final item, a drink flight board, perfect for any bar. Now I didn't use a template for this, I just traced a shape from a Celsius can because it's what I had and I think it worked out perfectly, but really just use whatever you have to make a shape that you like. After that, it's just a matter of drilling some recesses for small glasses to rest in. Now honestly, I really didn't like how this specific item turned out. The wood I used was just a bit too thin, so I couldn't make the recesses very deep. And I also just don't love how the ebonization reacted with this type of wood. So I ended up sanding it down for a little more of a worn, rustic look. But still, you get the idea of how you can change up the shape and the color to something that you like. And there it is, 4 super easy, beginner-friendly kitchen and bar projects, all made from free pallet wood and each taking less than an hour to make. If you enjoyed this video, it would be awesome if you gave it a like down below. For more pallet project ideas, you can check out the full playlist on my channel, and in the description, you'll find links to all the tools and supplies I used if you want to try them out yourself. Thanks for watching.